Imagine waking up to $500 hitting your bank account overnight from a YouTube channel you built in your spare time without ever turning on a camera or speaking a word. Sound too good to be true? It's not. In 2026, faceless channels are exploding, pulling in millions of views and passive income, but most guides are full of scams and paid tools. Today I'm giving you the real, step-by-step blueprint using only free AI tools, or ones with generous monthly credits. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal the #1 niche that's making beginners $1,000 in their first month. First off, why go faceless? In 2026, YouTube's algorithm loves consistent high-value content over personalities. Faceless channels avoid burnout, privacy issues, and production hassles. Plus, they're perfect for introverts or side hustlers. Stats show faceless creators are earning 2 to 3 times more RPM in niches like storytelling and tutorials, with some hitting $9 to $13 per 1,000 views. No face means scalable automation, and with AI, you can pump out videos faster than ever, but success starts with the niche. Pick wrong and you'll flop. Pick right and watch the subs roll in. Based on what's crushing it right now, here are the 7 most profitable beginner-friendly faceless niches. These are automation gold mines. Easy to create with AI, high engagement, and evergreen appeal. I'll rank them by ease and potential earnings with real examples. 1. Animated storytelling horror motivational quotes. Easiest to start, highest virality. Turn short stories, creepy tales, or inspiring quotes into animated videos. Why trendy? TikTok-style hooks with AI visuals keep viewers glued. Earnings, 8 to 12 RPM, up to $10,000 per month with 100,000 subscribers. Example, channels like Mr. Ballin but faceless. Focus on urban legends or what-if scenarios. 2. True crime documentaries. Massive demand in 2026 with true crime podcasts crossing over. Use stock footage, AI narration, and simple timelines. Trendy twist, unsolved cases, or forgotten crimes for binge watching. Earnings, 8 to 12 RPM, scalable to 7 figures anonymously. Finance, investing tips, evergreen and lucrative. Break down stocks, crypto, or side hustles with screen recordings and charts. Trendy for 2025, AI stock picks or recession-proof hustles. Earnings, 9 to 13 RPM, perfect for affiliates. 4. Tech tutorials and reviews. Screen share demos of gadgets or software. No face needed. Hot in 2025, AI tool breakdowns or free app hacks. Earnings, 7 to 10 RPM, easy monetization via links. 5. ASMR relaxation meditation, audio focused with ambient visuals. Trendy, roleplay ASMR or guided sessions for sleep stress. Earnings, 6 to 9 RPM, low competition in sub-niches like ASMR for gamers. 6. Gaming walkthroughs, reviews, gameplay footage with AI voiceovers. 2025 trend, indie games or noob guides. Earnings, 5 to 8 RPM, viral potential with shorts. 7. Historical events or stories. Narrate timelines with maps and images. Trendy, what really happened series. Earnings, 7 to 11 RPM, great for long form. Pro tip, use ChatGPT to validate. Prompt, top 2026 trends in niche for YouTube. Start with one you're passionate about for consistency. Now that you've got your niche, let's arm you with the power tools, all free or with credits to get started. Step 1. Set up your channel, free and fast. Create a YouTube account if you don't have one. Optimize. Use a catchy name like Niche Vault, e.g. Horror Vault. Add a logo via Canva's free AI generator, no design skills needed. Channel art, free templates in Canva. Step 2. Research and script writing, powered by free AI. Niche validation, use Google Gemini, free, or ChatGPT, free tier to brainstorm ideas. Prompt, give me 10 video ideas for a faceless niche channel in 2026. Scripts ChatGPT for high retention outlines. Focus on hooks every 30 seconds, questions, and cliffhangers. Example, what if this one mistake cost you everything? Keep scripts 800 to 1200 words for 10 to 15 minute videos. Step 3. Voiceovers. Realistic AI voices, no mic required. 11 Labs, free monthly credits for 10,000 characters, enough for 2 to 3 videos. Upload script, choose voice, e.g. deep narrator for true crime. Alternative Google text-to-speech via free tools like Balabolka or Flicky's free tier for basic AI voices. Step 4. Visuals and video creation. AI automation magic. Stock footage, free from Pexels or Pixabay. Animations, images, Canva AI, free for thumbnails and simple edits. For advanced, use free stable diffusion via Hugging Face for custom images. Full video, in Video AI, free trial with credits, or ZebraCat free tier to turn script plus voice into edited video. Add B-roll, transitions, done in minutes. Editor, CapCut for polishing, add text overlays, effects. Step 5, thumbnails and SEO, the virality booster. Thumbnails, Canva AI, bold text, intriguing images, test with mystery elements. SEO TubeBuddy, free version for keywords like Faceless Niche 2025. Titles, the scariest story you'll hear this year, Faceless Horror. Tags, descriptions with calls to action. Step 6, upload and promote, scale to monetization. Post 2 to 4 videos per week, use shorts for quick wins. Monetize at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, ads, affiliates, e.g. Amazon for reviews. Growth hack, cross-post clips to TikTok/Instagram for free traffic. No scams here, just real tools. All these are free to start with optional upgrades if you scale. And the #1 niche for 2026 beginners, animated storytelling. It's got the highest RPM, easiest AI setup, and endless ideas. One channel hit $193,000 in under a year. Now it's your turn. Grab ChatGPT, pick a niche, and make your first video today. Like, subscribe, and comment your niche below. I'll reply with custom tips. Drop that first video link in the comments when it's live. See you in the Millionaire Club.